And this is the base camp. Getting ready to go up to Lake Humantay. They say it's an hour to hour and a half hike one way up. A little faster coming back down. As you can tell, there's a pretty big group here. Got the bathrooms over there to the left. One solace to go to the bathroom. Horses over there, which only are good for the steepest portion of the ride. I think that's I think it was 8 solace for each. I could be wrong. I think I'm wrong about that. We're taking a quick group break on our way up to Lake Humantay. You can get your passport stamped here with the Humantay stamp, which I did.
And I don't.
And somebody forgot to bring their passport with them.
I thought we don't need passport here.
I wonder who forgot.
It's okay.
But that's the way we're going. We've been hiking for 6 minutes so far. On the way to Humantay Lake. Crossing over the bridge. There we go. Now we're taking. Now we have a genuine caballada. Cowgirl. Okay. So I'm an hour into this, 55 minutes into this, and I'm the last one in the group. And I took the horse, and I decided to keep walking. But since we were already the last, that still makes me the last. I think we've gone about maybe a mile and a half, mile and a quarter, something like that. A little bit longer to go. Whew. I'm out of breath. Don't know the altitude here is yet, but still have a ways to go up that way. I think comparing this trail to the Lake Mountains, this trail is actually easier, but there's more peer pressure to walk it faster because you're with a group and they want you to stay together. So they push you a little bit harder. But the walking trail is actually easier because you don't feel like you're going to fall off the side of the mountain. Okay, I finally made it to the top. Whew. And Lisa beat me up here. Let's go.
It's not worth it for me. No, it's not worth it.
Not worth it? Okay. Let's go take a look. Here we go. Here's the lake. Good wide
Workout
angle.
paused.
Yeah. It's a lot more crowded up here than I thought it would be. I thought there'd be like 10 people up here. Not like a 200. So you can tell that this is the debris field from probably a previous glacier. We're being called for a group photo with our group.
Workout resumed.
There you go.
Yeah.
Come on in.
What?
All this.
It's on YouTube.
Es meine neue deutsches Freund. Did I say that right? Sehr
Yeah,
gut.
sehr gut.
Sehr gut.
Muy bien.
Again, we saw them the other day in the market in Cusco. We bought our sweaters together.
Pantalon.
Lucas was showing off his sweater.
Yeah.
I liked it so much. She was showing off her sweater, which she's not wearing today.
I'm not wearing
And she
Not today.
and is not wearing her sweater today.
Good. Just cause.
And then we ran into them today at Lake Humantay.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Good time.
Nice lake.
Nicely.
Nice.
Nice lake.
Yes.
And nice walk.
Nice meeting you again.
Yeah.
You have to show the lake in the video.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh.
There you go. Good.
Thank you guys so much.
Welcome. Thank you.
So we stopped on the way back down. First house on the way back down. Go to the bathroom. Take a little break. Here's the view. So from this point on the way back, it's flat. But from here on, it gets steeper and steeper. I want to get a last picture of this mountain before we go on back down. Look how pretty that is. Let's zoom in.